Okay, so it looks like we have another Home Depot glitch, my friends. I've been playing with this one for a little bit here this afternoon. I'm looking at this. So we have these Milwaukee pack outs. So those of you who are on the fence about getting a pack out because of the price, hey, you're in for a treat here, because you can see, as part of the Black Friday, you can see right here this price that it was already down to $239 from like $329. So basically $90 off. But watch this. This has got to be a glitch. So I'm going to take this now and I'm going to add it to the cart and watch what happens. Remember, the price is $239. And so by adding it to the cart, you can see right here, if you look right here at our gauge, the buy more, save more gauge, it looks like they're doing the same thing that I showed you with the appliances the other day too. How people were getting those $4,000 appliance suites for $1,400. And you can see here, the gauge is now showing, well, now you have a $50 savings because you're doing the buy more, save more. I'm like, oh, really? I haven't even added anything else. I haven't even bought more to save more. This is just the first item in the buy more, save more. And it's already taking, looks like some money off here, like $50. So let's go into the cart and look and see if I'm correct. See? So it looks to me like they kind of jumped the gun and gave you too much discount here. So now you're talking about this, getting this rolling cart set, the entire 3-box Milwaukee pack out set over here on the left is now down to 189 smackaroonies. So you're saving now 43% off of your item. Whereas before it was saying, what was it, 27%? Something like that. So now instead of getting $90 off the tower, you can see right there, it's showing us that we are getting $140 off. So that's pretty amazing. I want to go back to this here for a second and see how many they've got in stock. So if this is a genuine sale, man, this should go pretty good, because it says here, I'm looking, there's 11,278 available, ship to store. So this is one of these deals you have to do it online. So I will put a link to this down below too, as a reminder for you. And then I'll also put it way over here in the lower left of your video screen in the View Products button, if I can get it to load up there too. But it should load up for you. I mean, this is an unbelievable steal. I can't remember the last time the Pack-Out Tower was priced this low, except for maybe another glitch. Now, what some people are going to want to do is they're probably going to want to add a couple more of these boxes in here too, either the small one or the medium. Let's go and get the medium pack out. I don't know, they might even call that one the large. I have this whole stack too, by the way, at home myself. So let's see if we add this box into it here. I'm going to add him to the cart. And you can see when I dropped it into the cart over here, it looks like the price dropped from 89 down to 65. Let's go and double check. I want to pull up the cart and actually see it in there. And so you can see now, look at this. The rolling tower has now dropped from 189 down to 173, which is now 47% off. And that box, like I said, was 89. I just showed it to you a minute ago, has now dropped down to 65.36 because the buy more, save more has been applied to it. So it looks like it's the perfect storm here of two different sale discounts that are going on. And I don't know if they did this intentionally or if it was a glitch, but either way, the price is the same, whether it's a glitch or not. It's an incredible score, because look at this. You're now talking getting the 3-box tower plus another one of this box here for just about the same $239 price that we originally saw this tower for right here as the original Black Friday sale price, but they've made it even deeper Black Friday discount. What I want to see now, I want to, if we go back to this guy and look at our gauge, see our gauge is now up to $90 off. I want to see, let me see, spend $70 more to save an extra $100. Now this is funny, because look at this. I only need to find a pack out item that's $70 in order to get back $150 more. You can't write stuff better than this. All right, so let me go see what they got for pack out that might be in that price range. All right, so I need to spend $70. So let's find some pack out that might be picking anything to throw in there for that price. I'm going to do this one here. Right here, the medium red toolbox with this, right there. So I'm going to stick this into the cart, add them into the cart. And now that I've done that, this sometimes doesn't update like right away. Sometimes I have to go into the cart and come back out for that gauge to update. Yo, there it is. See, I just refreshed the page. Success, you're saving 150. So we've now reached the maximum amount we can save here. It was 150 off. This is going to be funny. Let me go into their part here now. Look at this. Holy cow. So we just went up from like 239 up to like 258. So it only went up $20 for us to get this last box right here. This is total insanity. Look at this, guys. All of this right here for $258 when the real cost of this thing is $500. You can see right there. They're taking $240 off. Why? Because they're double stacking two different deals here right now. I would not waste any time. If you're seeing this right now, you should be in your shopping cart on Home Depot's website buying these pack outs before they shut it down, because I don't know if this is a glitch. This sure seems like they're pretty much giving away the farm, ladies and gents. Huh? So what do you think of that one, huh? That is why, ladies and gentlemen, you subscribe to this channel. This is the second time in like a month or so that we've showed you some really good Milwaukee pack-out glitch deals here on Home Depot. So if you haven't watched any of my other videos here for Black Friday, especially the one up here about the appliance deals, make sure you check that one out. And then, of course, check out this other one, because all of those Black Friday deals that I showed you in this other video are still active. So thanks for joining us, folks. Happy shopping.